The best things I think about Lead F&I is, I mean, from top to bottom, first you have to have the rep. If your rep is just here to sell you something to make commission, you're going to know that right away. I've known Ahmed for a long time. He's grown up in the business just like I have. We have very similar stories, which has always been unique. But he's been someone I can trust and count on. There isn't something that I said like I can reach out to him and I know he's in a different state and he'll get back to me within minutes and I'll get something covered and handled it right away. If I have a question on something, he's there. If I have an idea of something, he's there. There's always something updating. He's always updating and informing me what's going on, what compliances are changing. It goes out of his way as if he's part of your dealership, not just a rep selling a company or selling a program or selling a warranty or a back-end product. He really does care about all the dealership he comes into as if he's invested in the dealership itself. And that's hard to find. I mean, finding a rep to sell you something, I get it. Everyone wants to sell something. But to have someone come in and care is it's a game changer.